Come test drive the 2019 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, compass, clock, fog lights, tachometer, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.